guys! Woo! Welcome to Vern's Junk Closet. We will see what we got from Amazon. And you guys know I don't shop from Amazon, but you do. And I want to say thank you to the people that gave it to me. Stay tuned. Woo! Thank you guys for coming back. First, I want to say before we get into who sent me this item, I want to let you guys know, thank you for all the people that pray for me, that call me, that checked on me. I appreciate you. So this is an unboxing of a gift that someone sent to me. I don't know who sent it. No, I take that back. I do know who sent it. I didn't know who sent it at first until I cut it open, and I didn't look at everything in it. I just cut it open because I was like, who is this from? So first, I want to say thank you again. I did have COVID, and you guys reached out to me, a lot of people, so thank you all. You know who you are. You called, you text, you emailed, or whatever. However you checked on me, I appreciate that. So I received a gift, and I'm like, who is this from? I don't usually buy from Amazon, so I didn't know who it was. So I was like, okay, maybe this is just a chain letter or something. So I said, let me open it and see. So when I opened it, I said, okay, so there's something in here. So I know it's someone from the Booski compound that sent it. So I did cut it open, and I looked inside, and there was some notes. And the note said a gift for you. Miss Vern, I hope that this helps with the congestion. First of all, don't be calling me no Miss Vern, because you probably older than me. Hello. Don't play. Y'all know who it is when I finish. It says, Miss Vern, I hope this helps with the congestion that you're experiencing due to this nasty bug, the virus. Praying that by the time this is received, you're feeling 100% better. Blessings, Melissa and Alex from Socialcouplepreneur. Then it says from Melissa. But let me just tell you, we're going to get into them in a minute. I want to say thank you so much for even thinking of me. Thank you for sending me a gift. I appreciate it. And when I opened it, I was like, what is this? I was like, I smell it through the bag. It smells amazing. And it's called Shower Steamers by Clever Fee. C-L-E-V as in Victor, E-R-F-Y. It's 6 aromatherapy shower bombs. And it says it is strongest scent aromatherapy. I cannot see, and yes, I have on glasses, but anyway, I'm going to hold it up to the screen. You want to screenshot it and read it, you can. But that's what it says. Okay. That's what it says. So you guys can read it there. So I am super. Oh, there it says. It says, ooh, child, hold on. Vegan, cruelty-free, natural essential oils, aromatherapy relaxation, and strongest scent. That's what it says. Just in case you didn't see it. But thank you. So if you do not know Socialcouplepreneur, they are content creators on YouTube and Instagram. I, Vern's Junk Closet, am going to ask for you to please go and check them out and follow them. Tell them Vern sent you. Their links to their IG channel and their YouTube channel will be in the description. But let me just read to you their YouTube channel. It says, we are a family that loves God, family, great food, and travel. Although we've talked about creating videos for YouTube for a long time, we've never done it until now. We are brand new to this space and look forward to the journey. They are a veteran family. We love what we do and want to continue bringing you great content. We realize people may want to support our channel, so we've added a simple way that they can do this. Please check out the link below or click the coffee break link below to support. So you can support them by giving them a coffee break link. They have Instagram, they have Twitter. It says for product reviews, small business spotlights, and collaboration, please email them at socialcouplepreneur@gmail.com and go to their YouTube page, and they have all their links there. I'm still going to link their YouTube page and their Instagram in the bottom of this video. So again, thank you, Melissa and Alex. I kind of remember, not when I first met them, but I remember meeting them and following them and talking with them. Love them, love their channel. And I'm going to be honest, I don't get to everyone's channel all the time. You know your girl is booked, busy, and blessed. However, I do know who they are. They know who I am. They come to my channel. I go to their channel. So I'm going to ask all the Booskis, or if you are affiliated with the Booskis, to please go and check out their channel Again, it's called Socialcouplepreneur. You can find them on YouTube and Instagram and other social medias. I want to say thank you for this amazing shower streamers. And again, yes, I had COVID and I was so sick because some of you guys know I also have lupus. But thank God for Jesus that I did get through it. It was tough. It was rough. But again, I thank you all that sent your prayers, that called and checked up on me and did whatever you had to do. Again, this is when you come across people that you meet on social media that happens to become family. They're more than friends. They're more than subscribers. They're more than content creators. They're more than just people that you see that you want them to be a fan, which I don't like that word. No one is a fan to me. However, you do get to connect with some great people. So again, please check them out. They're an awesome couple. Social couplepreneur, Alex and Melissa. Please go show them some love. Tell them Burns sent you. Check them out. Burns Junk Closet. Woo! Thank you all for being here. Please subscribe, like, share this out. Leave me some comments down below. This is shower steamers that I got as a gift from them. I'm super excited to use it. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. So again, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I am feeling much better. I still have some congestion, so I guess it's going to be for a while. But I still do have some congestion and, you know, just the in the throat thing there. But I am much better. And again, I thank you all for your prayers. Please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, Burns Junk Closet, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Share this video out. And also, if you'd like to become a member, part of Team Booski, baby. My Booskies. Hey, my Booskies. Hey, my Booskies. Please click that blue join button. Again, thank you all for the prayers. Thank you, Alex and Melissa, so much for your gift. Believe me, any gift that I receive, I'm appreciative. You'll see a lot of things up here are gifts from people, awards that I won from me and I, candles from Lennox Light. So you'll see a lot of stuff behind me. Most of the stuff is from people. Here's Prince George. If you follow my second channel, VMAX Show, that's Prince George. But yes, I do appreciate everything you guys do for me. I couldn't do this without God and without you. Thank you so much. And please pray for anyone that is going through something, people that have lost loved ones. Keep them in prayer. I love you guys again. Thank you for being here. Love and light.